Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Randall Technology Company is an online business booster. So if you are a small company or a business owner and you want to boost your sales, want people to notice your company, yeah, we can give you some business ideas or tips or strategies to promote your business online. Yeah, so if you want us to work together, you can send us message on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. The name is Randall Technology Company, or you can still follow us on our official blogspot, that's randalltech.blogspot.com. Yeah. So on today's episode on how to make money at home or as an individual or a group, yeah, I want to show you the best dollar mining app in 2022. Yeah, do you know that we have an app that can mine dollars online? Or you don't know? If you don't know, yeah, today after this video, you will know. Yeah, we have an app that can mine dollars online. All you need is 24/7 internet access and more equipment like laptops, computers, phones, and you're good to go. Yeah, so this dollar mining app use a lot of internet. Yeah, it uses a lot of internet. So all you need is an internet access, 24 internet access, and you are good to go. So no time to waste. Let's jump on my phone screen and let me show you this app and how you can use it to mine your dollars online. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel or hit me up and let's have a chit chat. Yeah, so let's jump to my phone screen. Let me show you how to use this app to mine your dollars online. Let's go. Yeah. Welcome to my phone screen. So I want to show you how to mine dollars with your phone. Yeah, so I've already told you that we have an app that can help you mine dollars online, like how you mine cryptocurrencies online. So the app that we use to mine dollars online is called Honeygain. I will leave the link in my description so that you can download it and enjoy. So right now we are on Honeygain. So it says share your internet and earn. Your device earns you money when it's connected to either your Wi-Fi or mobile internet. Without you doing anything, you can set up mobile internet usage limit in the app settings. What you get paid for. Honeygain is residential proxy network. Taking part will get you paid for helping business get web statistics, run ads, verification, brand protection campaigns, and more. Find out about this on honeygain.com. So that's how you do it. So yeah, so let me click proceed to start up. Use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will only work on Wi-Fi. So let's enter this one. But you can set mobile data limit. Maybe you have, let's say, 10 gig and you want to use only 2 gig to mine dollars. So you can set the mobile network limit to maybe, let's say, 2 gig. Yeah. So let's click yes. So let's set data limit. Yeah. So let's set data limit to, let's say, 2 gig. So when it's reached 2 gig, it will stop mining. So let's click that. So it says earnings may be limited. Android OS may shut down the Honeygain app to save battery. To maximize your earnings, turn off battery optimization for the Honeygain. But from me, I'll not turn it off, so I'll do it. So here is the honey. Here's currency balance equal to, so let's say you mine maybe 100 hen honey, then it will equals to $1 for here. So you have to sign up again, then you click, you enter your email, your password, then you sign up, then it will start earning. So yeah, this is the app that you can use to earn dollars online. It's simple app you can use to earn dollars online. So please, I will leave the link in my description, so download it and start earning dollars with your network, your mobile network, or your Wi-Fi. Yeah, the name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Start earning money online without doing anything. Yeah, I'm out.